Morning, guys. Um, it's Hilary here in Nigeria, and I want to give you an update actually, because this is actually going to be my first live YouTube video on forex trading. You understand? So what I want to do here is I want to teach you how to trade forex. You understand? And at least give you the basic knowledge and know-how in order to be able to trade the forex market and at least be profitable. You get? So I think that's it. So beginning, I will tell you what forex is all about. I think forex is all about the foreign exchange markets. You understand? So like I always say, is the world market economy where you trade market economy, market actions. For example, we trade currency pairs, we trade boom and crash, which is in the volatility section. We trade also like volatility 10, boom 1000, crash 1000, all of that. So those are just the markets we trade, you understand? So we work on the analysis on how to make entries on the market and exits, how to set your stop loss, take profits, and all of that. So those are what I'm going to be covering in this YouTube channel. You get? So here is a very known application we'll make use of, which is an mt5. And if I go down here, this is another very known application we'll make use of, which is the mt4. You understand? So the mt4 and the mt5 are very known apps we'll make use of in order to trade. So now I would go just give you a walk around using this mt5. Now if you're a new trader coming on board and you really don't know how to make use of the mt5, I would advise you, I think this video will really be helpful to you in order to give you the knowledge on how to make use of the application. You understand? So now here we'll do this. We'll start by going to the mt5. You click on the mt5 and I'll shift this a bit. Yeah, so when you click on the mt5, this is how it's going to look. It's going to look this way. Okay, basically yours will be showing a white interface on the candlesticks, and like on that green candlestick I have here, in yours, after downloading it and signing up for a demo, you will be having a white interface, white color there, candlestick color. Then on my red candlestick color, you will be having a black candlestick color. You understand? So now these candlesticks, what do they actually identify? The candlesticks identify a bullish or a bearish movement in the market. So now when we have these green candlesticks, which in yours you'll be having as white candlesticks, they are called like bullish markets. You understand? They are called bullish candles. In fact, let's not really put it as markets, but let's just start with bullish candles so you get to understand it clearer. Now the red candlesticks are called the bearish. You understand? So bearish, it's actually coming down. You understand? So bearish actually coming down. Now what I will be guiding you through is this. I will be showing you how you would be able to set up this indicator and also be able to make use of this indicator to make money. What are we here for? We trade forex in order to make money, nothing much. So we try to do all our analysis and everything in order to make money with the market. Now, coming to this chart, I will be showing you something. Now, just for a little understanding, when you hold your screen and drag it close, you zoom it smaller. Then when you place your hand on the screen, your two hands on the screen, and you spread it out, that is zooming it, just like a normal zoom on your phone, zoom close, zoom open, and all of that. So that helps us to be able to know the direction of the market on different time frames. You get? So on different time frames. Now when you tap your screen, you will see these signal signs where you say, okay, let me leave it here. You will see this sign where you have M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1 and MN. You understand? So basically what those stuffs require there, or what they signify actually, not require, what they signify actually there over there, it's this. They all signify the market time frames. You understand? So what are these market time frames? Market time frames are this. Now, if you look at this point here, at the top right side of my chart, you will be seeing H4. The topmost right side, you'll be seeing H4. H4 means these candlesticks are all H4 candlesticks. Now, I would show you something. And also, yeah, H4 candlesticks mean that one of these candle here, I would use this to show you. It means that this candle appeared after, each candle appears after every 4 hours. You understand? So after every 4 hours, this candle here will appear. After every 4 hours, this candle will appear. After every 4 hours, this one will appear, this one will appear, this one, and so on and so forth. You understand? Now this plus sign over here is what I use to make analysis in the market in order to place and get an exact entry. You understand? I think here I'm going to be giving you I may probably be giving you a free setup on how to start trading and making profits from the market, but big updates on the strategies will be coming up soon. You understand? So that's how it is. So basically we're going to start with this one. So now this F sign here is for I'm going to shift this to this other side so we can get to view these indicators better. So all these are indicators we use to trade the market. So these are indicators given to us by the market to trade the markets. You understand? So now in these indicators, there are forms people who understand the market. You understand? Like we understand the market. We set movements and we set analysis. We give you setups which can help you come out profitably in the market. You understand? So that's just it. So basically, what we're going to be facing and doing all the way is setting up these indicators, learning support and resistance line, learning how to make exact entries, trading the boom and crash and volatilities. I'll be starting with volatilities, and later on I'm going to be going into the currency pairs. So my strategy actually works for both volatilities and currency pairs. So take note, any strategy which won't work for both volatilities and currency pairs, I will make you know that, oh, this strategy is for the currency pair alone, or this strategy is for the boom and crash alone, or this strategy works for both pairs, both the boom and crash, volatilities and all. You understand? So those updates are going to be coming up soon, but pending that time, we will be working on the setup, how to set up this strategy. Basically, anyone who comes on board on forex is really taught how to set up the moving averages. So now I'm going to be taking this down again once more. I'll be clicking on moving average. So now on the moving average, we'll be setting it as the okay. This will just come here. I would really be getting to shift this camera around so we can get an exact view of whatever I'm doing over here. You understand? So now we'll be setting this at period. We'll start with period 5. You get? So we'll be setting it as period 5, leave it as 0, simple, and then would yes be 2 pixel, and let's pick a okay, I would go with a red color, 2 pixel red color, and that's it. We'll click on done. Now if you look closely at this chart, it has appeared. The moving average 5 has just appeared. Now we'll go for the next setup. We'll go back to the moving average. On the main chart, we pick a moving average 10. A moving average 10. Okay, I'll take this a bit up so I can fix. Then yeah, so pick a moving average. Then we'll go for the colors. I will pick a color. We'll pick, let's say we'll pick blue, light blue, and we'll click done. You get? So this is how we set this strategies up. So now basically, without even doing much analysis, you can see that when this red line crosses the blue line and you place a buy, it will drive you all the way up. Then you go, it places a close, and you can just keep following this. You see, it crosses the blue, you sell all the way to this place and you buy. So you see, and let's go back to this time frame and pick, let's say, the 15 minutes time frame. You see there are a lot of buys here and a lot of sells. So this is just how basically you would be using the strategy to set up various indicators and making use of these indicators in the market to trade. You understand? So that's it. Here I'm just really going to be showing you how the what and what you use to trade. You understand? Like, just going to be showing you the basics in terms of where you touch, what it signifies, and all of that. So I'll be taking this. Okay, this is an automated signal pop-up, but we'll not be taking that. Then over here is where you place your trades. I always advise, as a starter or a learner, you always reduce this to the lowest lot size. You take your arrow, tap there, you reduce it to the lowest lot size, and let's say we are not looking at any setup in order to just place a buy. We just want to take a random buy, and we want to sell, reduce it, which has been reduced. We click, we reduce it to the lowest, and we sell. So that is how you buy or you sell. Now, when you want to set a TP for your trade, when you want to set a TP for your trade, what do? You go back to the main chart, and let's say, for example, we've placed a buy on this market pair. Okay, we placed a buy and our buy is here. Okay, both our buy and our sell at this point. Let's say we want to place a TP for our buy. Understand? So you click on this plus sign above here, and we may say, okay, we want to place our TP here. Meaning that when this candle gets to this point, it should automatically close. That's what we are telling we are commanding the mt5. We're telling it, oh, please, when this candle gets to this point, please close the trade for us. So what do? We pick these numbers here. You see the numbers written in the black spot. We have 1267.5.8274. So now I can simply just pick 1267.5.82 and it will work. Let's go back to the place. So here we pick on the buy, and with the modify position, we'll come here, we click on what we got there. So I think it's 1267.5, yes, 0.82. So you see it has given us a section here where it says you can modify. So we modify position, and when we modify that position, coming back to our main chart, you will see that we've already set our TP has been set at this point. Understand? So when this market by any chance gets to there's a spike just occurred. Remember, we didn't really look at it, so we're already in losses. So now remember, when this gets to this point, then we buy. Oh, sorry, I know. So we're not really talking about that. So now what we would actually do, we set a TP now. You understand? So we just set a TP, and the TP is over here. When it touches this resistance line, it should take our profit if we've made profit. You understand? Then how do we set stop loss? we go back to this, we go back to the market, which is this. You look at it. We want to set a stop loss on crash 1000, okay, which when we inputted a buy. So we'll go back here and say, okay, we'll pick a plus sign. I can always call it plus sign. I don't know what to call it apart from plus sign, because it really looks like a plus, which we use to navigate the market. You understand? That's just it, nothing much. So we pick that and we take it to this point, and we have 1259.7.99. You get? So we have 1259.7.99. So we'll go back here. We click on the buy option. We click on the buy option. We click modify. We click. We'll go back here. We click 1259.7.99. Okay, 1259.7. 1259.7.99. Okay, it's not really working. It's not really working. It should show us modify here. Okay, I placed 21. Okay, so 1259.7.99. So it has worked. We'll click on modify. So we'll click on modify now. You will discover that a stop loss has been placed here. Please do not bother about my shifting the camera from all zones and everything. I'm trying to make sure you see what I'm doing. You understand? I'm trying to make sure you see what I'm doing. Remember, this is already getting close to 20 minutes, but no issues. I'm just trying to give you the knowledge, and it's like giving you the knowledge for free. You understand? We're giving you the knowledge for free. So now we've set the stop loss. You know how to place your trade. Now you know how to navigate using this plus sign around the market and play with it in order to enter your trade. Now you know where to set your indicators. You know, when you click this, you set your indicators, add indicators and all of that. When you want to delete your indicator too, you click this and you delete. You delete the indicator, you don't need it. Delete it, no problem. Then when you want to make trades or you want to navigate around the market, you click on this. You click on it and you navigate. You navigate around the market. You navigate around the market. You check, you see all these are volatilities, which is open 24/7. No, I forgot to say, yeah, if you see, most of the traders basically trade volatilities, and some also fully trade the currency pairs. But now these are the differences in the both I see. You understand? On volatilities, it's really very volatile in the sense that it is very risky to trade the market on volatility. But when you understand that you are making use of a very profitable strategy, you would actually come out profitable, and very profitable actually, because you can make so much money from the market. Now, on the currency pairs, why most people are really afraid of trading the currency pairs is because of the spikes. Now, news can come up and pull you into losses and all of that. But at the same time, when you have a very profitable strategy, you hold the market and you'll be into profits. You understand? So that's how the market actually works. One thing in this business is that you really need to be very patient in order to make good money from the market. You really need to be very, very patient. And consistency. When you are patient, you are consistent, and you believe in your strategy, my bro, you really kill it. You would really kill it. So that is it. I think any other thing I'm not really showing here on how to navigate. Okay, here, this is where you have your profits and losses and everything. This is it. I just entered careless trades and all of that, but that's not really the problem, because this is a demo account. You understand? Okay, I didn't show that. This is a demo account. It's not a real account. This is a demo account for practice purposes. So I just created this demo account, so I would use it to update you on strategies and how everything is going and how we increase the account. Sometimes also I like to reduce the account to like a $1,000 or a $500, even a $50. Now so that we can raise it from that back up. You understand? such as we still do in our real life accounts. You understand? So that's just how basically it would be moving. These arrows are just maybe simple time, open time, all of that, profits and the rest. Position, orders, these are orders you've placed, and these are profits you've made from orders, cancelled order, all of that. Those are not really going to be what we'll be working on. Then here, when you click on this arrow down, which is like an arrow facing up, it shows you the trades you've entered. You understand? Then when you come here, it shows you your charts, your market charts, where you can zoom and you play around with it and you make money with it. Now the broker I make use of is binary.com. I also make use of FBS for forex trading. So I use binary.com, FBS, FXTM. I make use of those brokers. And suggested brokers I would still say is like FX Choice. That's a good broker. IC Market is a good broker. And then we have Opta Forex, which just came on board. It's a good broker. So which their spreads also are really pretty nice. Like FBS, why I really like the FBS is because their spread is actually low. Like you really can profit more from the market. So that's it. You can see this is a live video. This is actually 12 p.m. already. It's afternoon now. So here, when you click here, it shows you the markets on how to open and all of that. When you want to open a market, you can simply hold the market and you come here, you open, you click on chart. It will show you the chart and you simply implement your wonders, you understand, and make good profit from it. So peace out guys, peace out guys. I think this is just the first video I'm going to be uploading, and sure, trust me, you're going to be getting a whole lot of videos in order to help you be a better trader. So peace guys, one love.